everybody, Brad here from Dante Arms Tech. I hope you're doing well, you had a good Christmas and you're all keeping safe. Today we're going to be checking out a new headset from Turtle Beach. This is the Recon 500 in the camo style. First of all, I want to say thank you to Bradley on over at Turtle Beach that sent these on over to me. Now this is not a sponsored video, so everything I say here is obviously my own opinion and I'm not going to be swayed by a company to do so. So obviously everything from the quality of the product, the mic test, the audio test and the price, I will tell you throughout this video. If you want to check it out in the meantime, there is an affiliate link in that description down below, so it's not going to cost you guys anything extra. Go ahead, check it out, and if you want to help out the channel, then thank you ever so much in advance. However, first off, let's have a message from today's sponsor. So today's video is brought to you by PureVPN, the virtual private network that's going to keep your security and your privacy in hand, which is also self-managed. They have 6,500 servers across 140 different countries and no log certified, meaning they do not share your data with anybody else. They have a 256-bit encryption protecting you for while you're on the move, whether you're getting games downloaded early, watching videos, listening to the latest music, or even downloading anything from Netflix. Again, PureVPN is the network that's going to keep your security at hand, and the link is in the description down below. To get 99p off your first 7-day free trial, 50% off your first year subscription, or even 70% off a 2-year subscription, again, link is in the description down below. Now back to the video. So upon opening up the box, and this is what you're going to be greeted with on the inside. So you're going to have your user manual, you're not going to need that, with the quick start guide, and if you have any problems, and you also get a Turtle Beach sticker, but we're going to put that back in the box because we're not going to need that. And then here is the headset all wrapped up. So let's get it out. You've got your detachable boom mic there. Quite minimalistic, nothing else in there but the headphone and the detachable boom mic. So let's have a look at the headset first of all. Get that out and we're going to put it on the good old stand that I've just got here. So then let's have a look at the headset itself. And first up, what I have noticed and I want to note is it's all plastic casing, which is not always good for every headset. But yeah, it does all right. We do the crack test and the creak test. It doesn't crack, it doesn't creak. Now the top, let's have a look at the top. It does bend in, and they do bend quite far, and obviously it does then drop off at this side, so I will tell you about that in a minute. But again, quite a good stretch on it. It doesn't crack, it doesn't creak, and it feels quite sturdy. So they've got a good banner there, a good band. So yeah, happy with that. Let's move on to the inside of the headband itself, and you've got this faux leather with memory foam in the top, and obviously that's going to be just sat on top of your head, supporting, hopefully making this headset a bit more comfortable. Now I want to move on over to the right ear cup. And both ear cups actually, if I turn them around, do move out. And obviously go flat, so you can have them flat on the desk that way, you can have them flat on the desk that way, or up against your chest. However, moving on to the right ear cup, and as you can see, there's a 60mm driver. I'll explain more about that in a moment. And then you've got this breathable fabric around the outside. It's quite squashy. It's got memory foam in there as well, which is quite nice. And then you have got a bit of mesh over the driver there. And then moving on to the left ear cup, again, same quality as the right ear cup, nothing too drastic there, but this is the side that's got everything on. So you have got one singular 3.5mm jack, which is braided, which I always make sure that every headset that has a braided cable does make it feel a bit more than a sort of budget headset. It gives it a bit more premium feel, a bit more quality to the headset itself. Then moving on over to the right ear cup. So first of all, on that side, you have got your volume slider. Now this is a linear slider and it feels really, really smooth and really, really nice. And when you get to the top, you know you've stopped, and that is at max volume. And then want to move on over to the push button on the side here. That has got a little logo for mute on your microphone. Now you have got the detachable boom mic, as I said. So when this microphone button here is in, the microphone is turned off. And then when it's popped out slightly, it does protrude just enough that you can feel it. And that means the microphone is on. So yeah, look at the style, guys. It's really, really nice, that camo look. I also want to note something on the inside of the ear cups. Now, when they move backwards and forwards like this, normally you get the plastic sound of plastic on plastic. However, you won't with these because there is a little rubber stopper just on the inside against the arm here and the earpiece, where it just stops it from clattering around and giving you that plastic sound. But yeah, overall first impressions, the headset itself looks really, really nice. It feels good quality, even though it is all plastic casing. Yeah, not too shabby, to be honest with you. The band is metal, so you've got the aluminium band in there with the steppers, and that's why obviously when you bent the headset like this, it just sort of slopes off at the end and goes a bit square. So let's move on to those 60mm drivers. Now, most headsets that I've tested out have one way, which is just one speaker, normally 40 or 50mm drivers, and they're all right, but they're going to be doing the highs, the mids, and the low ranges. And sometimes you do lose a little bit of quality within the sound with those headsets. However, this is two-way, so 60mm drivers. So what that means is you've got two 60mm drivers for two-way. Now, the big one is going to be doing mainly the bass and all the mids. And then you've got a little tweeter in the middle, which is going to be doing all the highs and obviously all the voices. So you're going to have a better sound quality with this headset over most of the others that I've tested out over here. I also want to point out the detachable boom mic. This is going to be on the left ear cup. So as you can see, you've got a little notch in there. You can just put the boom mic on if it slots in, and there you go, it is in place. Now, what is great about the detachable boom mic is if you don't want it on, you don't have to have it on, you can get it out of the way. Most of the time when you put mics up on headphones, they generally tend to bounce back or fall back down. I noticed with my Corsair Void Pros that if you put it up, you move maybe a little bit, and the mic drops back down and initiates it. Whereas this, if you don't want it, you can just take it out. If you do want it, you can put it back in, and it clicks in quite nicely. Again, it has got a bit of movement, so you can adjust it to where you want it to be. It just generally stays there like that. Not too shabby, not too bad. But yeah, overall, that is a really, really nice feature to be able to detach it. So last but not least is going to be the mic test. Now obviously this is going to be off the boom mic of the Recon 500, so at the moment you can hear me coming through on the lapel microphone. Now I'm going to switch on over to the Recon 500 by Turtle Beach, and hopefully I'm coming through clear, I'm coming through loud, I'm coming through crisp. I haven't seen any issues with the microphone so far. Now apparently it does have noise cancelling on it. You will get a bit of background noise, but apart from that it's actually alright. So there you go, there is all my tests done. Now this headset does work with your Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5 and Nintendo Switch. Now if you're going to be using it on the PC, you are going to need a splitter cable, which I will put a link in the description down below from Turtle Beach themselves, and it comes in around about £4. I would have liked to have seen one in the box itself. So let's talk about the pros. Those speakers, first of all, absolutely amazing. The sound quality is amazing. I was playing Halo and just everything, you were so immersed into it. Much better than any of the headsets that I have tested so far in regards to the sound quality. Just everything was there. Really, really good definition of those speakers. So having the dual two-way, having those 60mm speakers, absolutely fantastic. Turtle Beach have done a really good job there. Braided cable, like I said, premium feel, premium quality. Headset, yes, absolutely fine. As you can see in the video, it did bend. And yeah, it fit my head, so you are going to be able to fit this on most people. So those rubber stops on the earpiece as well, or just above them on the shroud itself, stopping the plastic on plastic sound when you're going to put the headset down. Absolutely fantastic. It really makes a really big difference to this headset. And also one of the other features that I didn't put out that you may have seen in the video is I'm wearing glasses. Yes, these ear cups are fantastic if you're wearing glasses. I gamed for about 4 hours. It wasn't uncomfortable. Like most headsets, I would feel it. With this, it just sunk into that memory foam and I didn't feel a thing. It was absolutely fantastic, loved it. So let's talk about some of the cons. So let's start off with the quality. It's actually alright quality, which is a bit of a pro, but a con for me is I would have liked a bit more of a premium feel, especially for the price and especially for a brand like Turtle Beach as well. Yes, this is the Arctic version, they do a black version. I would just liked a bit more of a premium feel on the chassis of the headset itself. Also want to talk about the cable. Now it's only a 3.5mm jack that you get. There's no inline mic mute, there's no inline volume, and there's no two-way cable. It is just one 3.5mm cable, of which you will have to go and buy a splitter from Turtle Beach themselves, and I will add that in the link in the description down below as well. It's only £4, but for the price of this headset, I would have loved to have seen it in the box itself. But yeah, overall, it's an absolutely fine headset. Now, the price of this headset normally comes in at £70 at the time of recording this video, but Amazon is also doing a discount, which it comes in at £46. So for £46 for a quality mid-range gaming headset that isn't going to break the bank too much, you want one of these. They're absolutely amazing. Again, thanks to Bradley on over at Turtle Beach for sending them over. I appreciate it. I have got more stuff coming in from them as well. None of it is sponsored. It's all between me and Bradley. He works for Turtle Beach. He's been there about 5 years, and he gets all the sales samples. So he's going to send them on to me. I'm going to check them out and then send them back, which means I can give you a positive or negative review. But yeah, at £70 when these are on full price, it's a bit expensive for me at £70. However, the quality, the sound, the mic is absolutely fantastic. So don't knock it. If you want to go and check it out, Amazon affiliate link is in that description down below, and it's not going to cost you guys anything extra. However, that does it for me today. If there's any questions, please leave those or your thoughts in the comment section down below. Go ahead and give this video a like. It really does help out the channel. Go ahead and share it again. Helps out the channel as well. And underneath the video, red bar says subscribe. Go ahead and click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications from myself. Now you can follow me over on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Discord. I'm on over there. Come say hi. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I do have a Patreon account as well. £1 a month goes towards Dante Armours Tech to be able to bring you more videos. However, like I said, that does it for me today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you in the next one.